Hello everyone, this is Joshua, registration number UR14CS123. So this video is in reference to the third experiment of compiler lab, which deals with macro processors. So first of all, we declare we declare four strings, all empty strings, str, str1, etc., etc., and we initialize variables x, y, and z as 0, x, y, z, and w as 0. And after that, four string arrays are created with the name macro new, macro, para1, etc. And then the program now asks for the number of lines. And so the user enters the number of lines. And according to the number of lines, the for loop ranges from 0 to the number of lines the user has entered. And then there's another for loop j, which starts from 0 and which is lesser than the number of lines the user has entered. It goes on incrementing. And string 1, which was declared before, is equated to jth character, and the string character 1 is split. So the split function is used on the string, which splits the string into singular characters. Then if the first character, the character in the zeroth position, equals a hash define, uh, and if the second character equals the open parentheses, then the macro new, the w is equal to the first character of character 1 and is incremented, and the same way it is done for the second character too. Else the for loop ranges from k to the length of the character 1, and then the macro variable is equal to character 1 k, and x is then incremented. And if character 0 equals macro 1, then for loop ranges from 0 to the length of the character, lesser than the length of the character. And then the yth character of para 1 is equated to the kth character of ch1, and then y is incremented. And now after this int, we initialize t, a, and b as 2, 3, and 2 variables. And while this is not true, while this condition is not true, that is macro b equals the close parentheses, the str2 is equated to b plus 1 of macro. And then the for loop ranges from k to x, that is what we have declared before. And then b is incremented. And then the for loop now starts from 0, and the l variable l starts from 0 and ranges to 1 less than x. And now we got to check for the availability of equal to, and if it is equal to, we assign it to the particular variable, and then z is incremented. And now system .println is used to print the output. And same way, moving on, now the string is again split into singular characters, and then we got to check whether it equals this function, this term hash define. If it does, then we continue, or else we check if the character equals the content of para 1, the zeroth character of para 1, and then if it does, then we enter for loop starting from k is equal to 0 and then less than z. And then we print out the result. So when the program is run, first of all, the program asks for a number of lines. Here, this program that I've entered contains 8 lines, and so I've defined a constant pi here as 3.114, and so the function here xy is x is equal to 1 plus y, and so when the output will be printed as int main int is equal to 5 and 7. This is what we are given here, and here 3.14 is already defined as pi here, so it takes in the direct value and b, and it prints the result a is equal to a plus b. This is for the third experiment. Thank you.